In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Steam or boost your download speed. First, we'll point Steam at a faster server. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads. Under Download region, choose a location that's physically closer to you or one that tends to be less congested. Steam uses a worldwide network of content servers, and load can vary by time of day. You can always switch back later if speeds don't improve. After you pick it, fully restart the Steam client so it reconnects to that server and applies the change. Next, make sure Steam isn't holding itself back. In the same Downloads section, uncheck Limit Download Speed so Steam can use your full connection. While you're there, click Clear Download Cache. This flushes out temporary files that can cause stuck or slow downloads. This does not remove installed games or your library, it only refreshes temporary data. Steam will restart when you do this, and you may need to sign in again, which is normal. Now, minimize anything that throttles downloads. Still in Downloads, turn off options that deliberately slow things down, like throttle downloads while streaming. Also review settings related to downloading during gameplay or streaming. Disabling those throttles ensures your bandwidth is prioritized for getting files as quickly as possible. When large games download, Steam also spends CPU time decrypting and unpacking data. Giving it more CPU can help. Open Task Manager, go to the Details tab, right-click Steam.exe, and set Priority to High. This tells Windows to favor Steam's decompression work so the download and install pipeline keeps moving. If your drive is near full or busy, expect brief dips while Steam writes and verifies files. That's normal. Note that Windows resets priority on reboot, so you can set it again when needed. Keep both Steam and Windows up to date. Updates often include networking and performance fixes that directly affect download behavior. After updating, do a full restart of your PC and Steam. A clean restart clears lingering processes and re-establishes network routes, which gives you the most accurate speed test for the changes you made. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.